bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
You. From a distance you can tell.
Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 12. Wait a second. Oh yeah, Vlogmas day 12. Vlogmas day 12. Say good morning. Say hi. 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 So we're gonna watch 48 Christmas Wishes. I've never seen it. I can't really find anything on Netflix besides most of them. And there's not much on Disney Plus either. So we're gonna watch 48 Christmas Wishes. That's what it kind of sort of looks like. So here we go, and I'll check with you guys later. And what are you doing? She's playing with my Switch case and this PlayStation remote, but there's no batteries in it, so she can play. Don't. Sorry, she told me don't. All right. So see you guys later. Stinky butt. Sorry, shoots. Hey guys, it's me. We're actually watching Pocahontas right now. I am going to end it so that way it won't get copyrighted, but we're watching Pocahontas and she's just chilling with me and watching it. I think my husband's home because of the storm, so he got sent home, so we'll see what goes on, and I'll let you guys go. So aloha. Hey guys, so I just I cooked some more soup because I wanted soup, and like I said, soup is what I'm gonna have for a couple days because it kind of soothes, and it's like the nice warm cold and it's stormy. So I have my soup right here. Don't mind those are hubby's dishes from last night, and I'm gonna go clean it afterwards. But this is my soup right here. It's delicious. I love cauliflower, I love broccoli, and I use the bouillon cubes chicken broth because I ran out of chicken broth. So I boiled water and I made more soup because I love soup and I want to eat soup, and it's nice and warm and I'm freezing. So I'm gonna grab my blanket, and then sit on the couch, watch some TV, and eat some soup. Baby girl just went down for a nap, and then just gonna relax because my body aches. I took 1 ibuprofen, so I should be good to go, and see you guys soon. So aloha. So she's watching some kind of it's called Miles in Tomorrowland, some space alien kind of show. I'm eating soup again. I'm just good. Like I said, I'm on a soup diet. I think the storm kind of sort of stopped, but it's still more outside, as you can see. Some kind of stopped. Dessa's having chicken nuggets again, because she loves chicken nuggets. Hopefully this is still good. Oh god. Oh gosh. I'm gonna make this, excuse me. I'm gonna make this for husband. Hopefully it's still good, because you know, sometimes stuff goes in the refrigerator and sometimes it doesn't turn out good. But husband's gonna have pizza, so hopefully it's still good, because sometimes the pizza doesn't come out the way it's supposed to. I don't know why, but it's the thing. You know when pizza turns bad when it's doesn't come really hard and stuff like, or sog, or really good and stuff like that. So I'm gonna ignore my food for now, but we're gonna see if the pizza is good, and then yeah, I'm gonna have it. So that's what I really have a headache. I'll catch you guys later. No packing today. Just getting focused on getting better, because my health is more important than anything. So shoots, or aloha. All right. Hey, look, Dessa. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh yeah. So let's take your pacifier out of the way. Ooh. Bon appetit, baby. Here you go. You're welcome. Alright guys, so we all ate dinner and it was pretty good. Husband had pizza, Odessa had chicken nuggets and vegetables. I had soup and some of Odessa's chicken nuggets because she didn't finish it, and I'm not a big fan of wasting, so I ate some. And right now, probably gonna have a little bit of family time and just like relax a bit, then be ready for bed. So I'll see you guys after. See you guys on Vlogmas day 13. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Actually, Friday the 13th. Not that I'm very superstitious and all, but Friday the 13th. And tomorrow I'm really excited because I get to watch my semi-finals for The Masked Singer. Comment down below if you guys watched The Masked Singer. I love The Masked Singer. The last year's episode winner for The Masked Singer. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys if you did not watch The Masked Singer, but you should totally check out The Masked Singer. If you have Hulu, it's on Hulu Plus, or Hulu, it's on Hulu. Or you can probably like watch it on, I think it's Fox Channel, ABC Fox Channel or something like that. Or Fox, I'm not sure, yeah, maybe Fox Channel. But you should totally check out The Masked Singer. It's my favorite show all time. So I'll see you guys later. Aloha. And see you guys on Vlogmas Day 13. Aloha.